hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Ya bed, ya gyal. Ya gyal na bed. Ya gyal na bed. All the blood clot, politics. Uncle? You don't come back at all tonight? You don't come back at all tonight?
What I go on yes or no?
That gas station lock and still come.
Oh my girl, oh my precious. What is this smashing up? So no curfew time now, we look late. Supposed to be curfew time. Eh? A money boy?
Oh, me know that? Oh, Jesus Christ. Look here, listen to me. One day,
Woman chang though. Like a lion.
the man sending girl to pick up Alicia from school.
Chang to rotted.
So tell me, you know, what kind of husband that, what kind of brother you have? When I'm going for heartless. I'm going for heartless. And that's when I come talk about it. Yes, the girl come talk on me and the girl jump off and when
She catching one on top of me rotted. Oh my God. You do the right thing, don't do that. Take it easy, mama. Now why, mama? You look good, mama. Nice one, Chang, yeah? Body Chang. Nice one, body Chang. Body Chang.
the guy go to the park and call him. And I realized that I want to go to lay down somewhere. So I just go in. And after I mash up the window, in back the feet, guys, I mash up the truck.
JENNIAH. Well, people, big up on yourself. So, a wife in this circle, Hvssy. Well, basically, Hvssy tell her, say, I'm a jar material people, but Ghana country gone jar material, but basically, Hvssy a jar different material. JENNIAH star. And in the end, people, you hear how much window like window blade that leak out and there, something there. I mean, you like when the man say, yo, suck yo, moro. People on a real level. Why? These love triangle thing, I don't even know if it's a people. I don't even know if you explain it. But in the end, wow, is it worth it? Is it worth it, my viewers and subscribers? I just hope, say, wife you okay, mate you okay, and Hvssy you okay. You understand? Yeah, we just hope so. And wife and Hvssy can go seek and get some counseling or something, and what really draw Hvssy for gone out this and them can fix this thing. You get me as the people? Because at the end, you know, as she says, you see me look good and me strong and look good. Which she strong. Me not tell her, of course she strong. She turn up. Yeah man, she strong and she turn up. What you mean? See? But what is the reason why Hvssy gone out here? Me no know, or me if you know. I can't know. Me no know Hvssy. Me no know wife, me no know mate, so me can't know. Me can't decide or guess or spell for none of them people. Me no know nothing. All me have to do is just left in the dark and stay so boom. You understand? I say, and think and guess and spell. But in the end, just hope say the whole of them great, the whole of them good, and nothing no happen serious. You get me? I say no life, no loss, and if she do damage property, she can't do get charges. So that can me a window blade a leak out, ping, and a splice splatter. You understand? So, but is it worth it? Is it worth it? Ladies, is it worth it? Tell me, is it worth it in the comment section? What would you do? Yeah, what would you do? You have your husband or your boyfriend, your baby daddy. When you live together, you're trying to look good according to what she has said, and you turn up, and that's why she put on her shorts, you know. And you Hvssy tell us, Hvssy drive a truck. You see, look at the little truck people, like Hvssy drop material and them thing there. Hvssy say, babes, you know, so me have some night mission to crush because, you know, so me have go a sunbed and thing, and you know, so at night we have to make them move there because the authorities them in the day and things. No problem, Hvssy. But you get a look heads up, say Hvssy, I go around that corner there. And when you stay, say, boom now, people are flying out. What you do? Would you go there, lick out window blade and a bag of something, and at the end of your Hvssy tell us, say, yo, boom, go S your mother. And them something there. What would you do in the end? Tell me, what you do? No life people be enough people are perfect. So, you know what I mean? But people need to fix them things still as best as possible. If there's some serious problem there, seek the necessary, you know what I mean, assistance where you can counsel or anything and try to fix the thing. You know what I mean? Yeah man, fix it. But I'm happy so I don't hear no stab up and I don't hear no shooting and them something to people. That's the greatest thing. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is NEWLINK, you know, from NEWLINK production people. And we say attack, you know. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Attack them, the man. Peace out, people. Don't know. Subscribe. Yeah, man. Follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official. On Facebook, NEWLINK production. And people, you see that YouTube channel named Mario and JENNIAH. I want to check it out, people. I want to subscribe to it, people. And I'm going to just play a little clip of this YouTube channel, people, and it's fun. It's a Jamaican man with a Philippine girlfriend, people, and I'm telling you, I'd be a fun and excitement. Just imagine two different nationalities combined together and try to fit in as one. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. So you don't know, people, go over there, check it out and subscribe to them and watch the piece of clip of people. Have fun, man. All about entertainment. Peace out. Big up.
Good. You finished?
Not yet.
Why taking so long?
You want me to put more?
No.
Why?
No, I don't want to stay on there long. You're
gonna
afraid
wash
you're
it.
gonna get ugly?
I'm gonna wash it off when you finish. Let me look.
Oh! Okay, let me make I put too much. I get it.
Mom, help me.
Oh, this is not good for you. This is white. So
Guys,
it's not
you
good.
see what she did?
Cause it go dry in your face. Cause
You see what she did to my face?
we're gonna put foundation now. This one.